Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel PowerPoint University. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a clipboard infographic slide. You can see here I have created this clipboard in PowerPoint where you can place your paper here. So when I click, the first page will come here onto the clipboard, and then when I click, the first page will come. It will give you the text, and I have added icons. Then when I click, the second page will come here, and you can see there's some shadow effects I have created, and last the page number 3 will come here. So let's see how to create this very useful clipboard infographic slide in PowerPoint. Add a new slide and change the slide background. Right mouse click and go to format background, and under fill select texture fill and select what texture you need. For example, I'm just going to say maybe this one and close this. Then go to insert shapes, select a rounded corner rectangle, draw the rounded corner rectangle, maybe somewhat bigger, and reduce the curves. So this is the clipboard I'm going to design. And shape fill, I'm going to select this particular color, dark blue, and shape outline, let it be a white, and then go to insert shapes and select the rounded corner rectangle again. Here I'm going to draw the clips, the steel clips. Shape outline, make it no outline. Press Ctrl D to duplicate it, give a different color, reduce the size and put it exactly at the center. Select both these rectangles, say align center and align middle. Then I'm going to select the first, which is blue color rectangle, then the gray one. Under format, go to merge shapes and say subtract, so you end up with this shape. And then I'm going to give some shadow, kind of a metallic shape or the effect for this. For that, right mouse click, go to the format shape and select the gradient color. So I'm going to use here first a dark color, and here I'm going to use a white color, then again dark color, and this is going to be a light gray color. And then if you want, you can change the direction, something like this, or maybe not this, maybe this one, and then you can adjust it so that it will give you the look something like this. And then you can make a 3D format also. So top bevel, I'm just going to select maybe this one. Alright, and then I'm just going to add some more, put it something like this. I'm going to add one more rectangle, go to shapes, select the rectangle, draw the rectangle something like this, make it more down and touch till here. Shape outline, make it no outline and give the gradient fill. Here I'm just going to remove this and give some light colors. And should be maybe this. This also I'm just going to use somewhat light, so it should look something like this. And then go to insert, shapes, select a oval shape, draw the small oval. Again, give this also a gradient fill, but give some darker color. Make it no outline and place it here. This size I'm just going to reduce a little bit till here, from this side also, and then I'm going to add one more. Press Ctrl D. Here I'm going to make somewhat darker color again and change the direction to something like this, and this also a light darker color, and put it here. So you can see that almost the clipboard is ready now. Then I'm just going to add the paper. This one I'm just going to give a shadow effect, something like this, and make it more blur. For this also you can give some shadow effect. I'll select this, or let me just select this and give some blur effect, blur shadow. Now it's time to add the paper. To add the paper, go to insert, shapes, select the rectangle again, draw the rectangle, something like this. Shape outline, make it no outline, and shape fill, make it white. And if you want, you can give some pattern fill also. Maybe I'm just going to give a pattern fill, which is maybe this one. Foreground color, I'll make it light gray color like that. Alright, and then I will just say send to back. Alright, now I'm going to add additional papers. For that, I'll go to insert, shapes, select rectangle again, draw the rectangle from the edges of this paper. You can make it this much size, make it white, shape outline, make it no outline. For the time being, I'll just give this a light gray color, and then I'm going to go to shapes and select the right triangle, draw the right triangle, something like this. Give also the same color, shape outline, no outline, and then rotate to flip horizontal. Align it properly. This also I have to remove the outline, and I'm just going to copy this, paste it here, and rotate back. Then select these three objects, go to merge shape, say union, and then you can reduce the size a little bit. Because the size is bigger, or for the time being I'm just going to reduce this size so that it should match with our paper. Align it properly, or you can zoom it and then align it properly. Bottom also. You can see it's perfectly aligned. Again, fit to current window. Select this, press Ctrl D, give a little bit darker color, rotate, and then say flip horizontal, place it this side, and then again select this, press Ctrl D, put it here. Alright, if you want, you can give some effects also. Let me arrange this paper properly. Select all these pages and then pull it somewhat up, so you end up with this one. Then if you want, you can add the icons here. For that, go to insert, select icons. You need to have a internet connection here. And then select any icon which you need to download it. For example, let me just download maybe this image. I'll insert, I will increase the size. I can give a gray color, and then you can add your text here at the bottom. I'll just say equals LOREM within brackets 1. It will give me a Latin text. Align properly, reduce the size, and give a gray color text. And then you can add another icons also here. I'm going to insert shapes. So I'm just going to select some icons. Maybe I'll select this, this, and this, and say insert. So one shape will go here, one shape will go here, sorry, icon, and another icon will go here. And if you want, you can give some different colors, maybe this color, and would be orange color. And then you can add your own text here. Again, I'll just say type your text 1 here, type your text 2 here, and type your text 3 here. Reduce the size, and you can go to this particular line spacing and give some line spacing, or you can just enter it and enter it. So you got 1 2 3. And if you want, you can add more text also here, or some icons also you can use here. Let me just copy this text to this side and to this side. You can add the page number also here. For that, go to insert, text box. So this would be my page 1, page 01, center aligned, increase the size. So this is my page 1, press Ctrl D. This will be my page 2, Ctrl D. This is the page 3, Ctrl D. This is the page 4. I'll just say 2, 3 and 4, and I'm going to give the same color. For this I'm going to use the text color, the icons color. I'm just going to select which is this one. Then this color should be matching with our icon, and then this is the orange. Now before we start doing the animation, let's group these objects. So I'm just first selecting the page 1 and press Ctrl G to group it. Then select the page 2, Ctrl G. Then select page 3, Ctrl G, and the page 4, press Ctrl G. Now it's to do the animation. To add the animations, go to Animations menu, enable the animation pane. First select this one because it has, once I group it has come front, so I'll just go to Format, I'll just say Send Back. Okay, right. Now animations. First, this animation I'm just going to give say a fly in, so the page comes from bottom, and then I'll select this will be a wipe effect. I'll just say from left, and this should happen after previous. Then I'll select this again, wipe effect from left after previous, and then this is also a wipe effect from left. This is also after previous. So if I play this, so the first page comes second and third. So this is how the animation looks in the slideshow. When I click, the first page comes, second page and third page. This also you can control with on click animation, and if you want you can give more shadow effects here or some arrows also. So that's it from me, friends. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, PowerPoint University. That's it from me, friends. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe PowerPoint University. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.